The competition in the drone market is increasing day by day, and the first brand that comes to mind when it comes to drones is, of course, DJI. DJI, which has a wide range of drones, offers options for everyone, from beginners to experienced professionals. In this video, we have compiled everything we know about the Pro version of the Mavic 4, the next pearl of the famous Mavic series. If you're thinking of buying a drone in the future, you might want to reconsider after this video. From the latest leaks about the Mavic 4 Pro to its features, price, and release date, we've got you covered. Before we start, if you want to make a rational decision when buying a drone, I highly recommend you subscribe to Action Time. So, let's get started. The DJI Mavic series is known for its professional-grade aerial footage, good battery life, advanced sensors, and compact form factor. With each new model, DJI raises the bar. The Mavic 3 series introduced a new zoom lens, but while innovative, it left room for improvement in terms of image quality. This time around, the Mavic 4 Pro promises to address these issues while bringing groundbreaking new features to the table. One of the standout upgrades for the Mavic 4 Pro is its impressive flight time of 52 minutes. This sets a new standard for endurance and makes it one of the longest-lasting drones in its class, allowing users to capture more footage in a single session. The Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to feature a micro 4/3 sensor, capable of producing stunning 100 megapixels images, likely achieved through pixel shifting technology for ultra-high-resolution photos. On the video side, it's expected to support 6K recording at 60 FPS and 4K at 120 FPS, with an f2 to f11 adjustable aperture on a 28mm lens. This makes it a powerhouse for aerial photographers and videographers who demand top-tier image quality. DJI's new OcuSync 4 Plus technology will reportedly provide a 4K 30 FPS video feed with a transmission range of up to 40 kilometers. This upgrade ensures reliable connections even in challenging environments, making it a top choice for professional filmmakers. The Mavic 4 Pro will sport a rugged design with improved wind resistance, weighing in at 1,045 grams. Despite the added durability, it remains portable and well-suited for both casual and professional use. Equipped with a 6,654 mAh battery, the Mavic 4 Pro will offer extended flight sessions, catering to users who need more time in the air without frequent battery changes. Safety and navigation are taken to the next level with advanced vision sensors. The Mavic 4 Pro will feature 6-way obstacle detection, ensuring smoother flights and greater protection against crashes. The updated controller is designed for better control and signal reliability, providing users with an improved piloting experience. For precision control, the Mavic 4 Pro will include flight-assisted RTK and real-time imaging, making it a game-changer for professional applications such as surveying and mapping. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is expected to be priced around $2,099 in the US. While the official announcement is anticipated in April 2025, there is speculation that an earlier reveal could surprise the market. Given the extensive upgrades and features, the price seems justified for what this drone aims to deliver. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be a revolutionary addition to the Mavic series. With its extended flight time, powerful camera system, improved transmission range, and advanced safety features, it promises to set a new benchmark in the drone industry. Before ending the video, I'd like to say that if you're planning to buy a drone in 2025, subscribing to Action Time will keep you updated with the latest news and reviews. I'd also love to hear your thoughts about the Mavic 4 Pro in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.